So next up, we are at Hyundai Pavilion right now, and yeah, Hyundai, a brand loved by Indians. So it's gonna be pretty interesting what they are showing here. And this is one of the cars, concept car that they are trying to show here. Again, in front, if you can see in front of me, that is also a concept. This is also a concept. So a lot of activities in Hyundai to pull the crowd. This is one FI left field rock concept from Hyundai. It's not AI driven car or cell driven car. It's actually a concept, but it looks beautiful. This car also looks beautiful. I really like it. Other than that, the Hyundai tried to showcase all the regular cars. I would say Hyundai and Suzuki were not so great. They try to showcase all the cars that are already there or the upgraded versions of that same cars. Here is the Hyundai Creta on the right, and here is Hyundai Kona on the left. And I must say that yeah, Creta looks a little bigger than the venue, but it looks almost similar. So I would not go for Creta because it looks so similar. Like when you that the choice is finished in between. Like which car do you want, which car do you don't want. And sorry guys, that is not Hyundai Kona. That is other car from Hyundai. I think Santa Fe or something. I cannot see because so many people are there. But Hyundai Creta looks pretty big and great. But again, it just looks just like Venue. So what's the difference between Venue and Creta? I don't know. It looks absolutely same, almost the same car, and mm, that would not appeal me because if you showcase two models for different price bracket that are designed absolutely same, it doesn't make sense to me that why would someone do that. Why would a brand do that? I never like two cars with same designs. So here they have shown the regular cars. Here is the Hyundai for I-30. It's a concept. Again, they have tried to show one more Hyundai concept here with I-20, I-20, I-10, I-30. I don't remember, but yeah, it's one of the I-20 range. Here is Hyundai concept racing car. So that they do in street racing, that they use in street racing. So all in all, Honda, I don't get so much impressed. It's just regular car, just like Suzuki. I think the brand value is eating a lot of sales in India, but soon they're gonna run into challenges with these giants like Kia and MG. Here is the venue, Hyundai venue. If you can see, it looks exactly similar like Creta. So Creta and this don't look so much different in design. Then they have showcased Hyundai. I think this is Hyundai Verna, yeah, yeah. Oh, Elantra. Sorry. So this is Hyundai Elantra. Then if you come, there was not even a single electric concept that they showcase other than Hyundai Kona. This is Hyundai Aura, the new sedan that is being showcased by Hyundai. And I don't know why Hyundai choose to showcase things like that. I think they are just eating brand value right now in Indian market. They are not on an innovative front. This is i10, Hyundai i10 Neos. So it's again the already functioning model. They didn't showcase much. I am saying that to you again and again. That they just showcase what a new Hyundai Creta, and I think that was Santa Fe or something. Hyundai other car. Then they have showcased all the cars almost the same, just the upgraded version. Here is the Hyundai uh, Kona. I hope this is the Hyundai Kona right now. No, this is not Hyundai Kona again. They just showcase one Hyundai Kona that I remember that I like that it's an electric vehicle. Other than that, they showcase everything almost the same. So this is the Hyundai Kona here, if you can see. This is the Hyundai Kona. I still don't know which car is that. Maybe you will know. So leave in the comments which car is on the left hand side of Hyundai Kona. This is Hyundai Kona with the charger and everything. Hyundai Kona is looks great. Looks like an SUV and is an electric vehicle. So that is all from Hyundai. Nothing more. I'm not impressed at all.